Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best knife blades that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Romeda SK5 utility knife blades. The Romeda utility blades offer high-quality performance, made from SK5 high-carbon steel for exceptional hardness and durability. This means you can expect longer-lasting blades that resist rust and deformation, making them ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Their standard size fits most box cutters and folding knives, ensuring easy replacement when needed. With sharp, precisely polished edges, you'll enjoy smooth and efficient cutting for various materials like paper, cardboard, and rope. The convenient packaging includes 100 blades stored in 10 boxes, making it easy to carry and share with others for your DIY projects. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DIYSELF 50-pack utility knife blades. The DIYSELF utility knife blades come in a pack of 50, designed for versatility and convenience. These standard-size blades fit most box cutters and utility knives, making replacements easy for you. Their sharp edges are precisely polished, allowing for smooth and quick cuts through various materials like cardboard, rubber, and plastic. Made from high-quality SK5 alloy steel, these blades offer enhanced hardness and durability, ensuring they last longer than standard options. Plus, the portable packaging makes it easy for you to store and transport these blades, whether you're at home, in the office, or on a construction site. At number 3, we have the Outdoor Edge 3.5 RazorSafe replacement knife blades. The Outdoor Edge 3.5 RazorSafe replacement knife blades come in a pack of 6 and are made of Japanese 420J2 stainless steel. The blades are heat-treated and hand-finished to ensure excellent edge retention and performance. Each blade is individually vacuum-sealed in a plastic pouch with a PVC blade cover to protect it from the elements and improve safety during transport or blade changes. The drop-point design is versatile and well-suited for detailed cuts, making it perfect for demanding chores. These replacement blades are compatible with a variety of knives, including the Razorlight EDC, Razorlight, Razor Pro, Onyx EDC, Razorbone, Razormax, and Razorfin. At number 2, we have the Goldblatt SK2M steel utility blades. The Goldblatt 100-pack utility blades are made of SK2M steel, which is up to 3x more durable than traditional carbon steel blades. The 2 dispensers allow for safe and easy access to either 1 or 5 blades at a time from different positions. The remaining blade indicator and separate storage locations for recycling or disposal make this blade environmentally friendly. These razor-sharp serrated blades are perfect for cutting cardboard, leather, linoleum, rope, soft metal, pipe, paper, and most DIY projects. And finally, at number 1, we have the Berkling titanium-plated utility knife blades 50. Berkling utility knife blades are SK2H titanium-plated and designed for maximum corrosion resistance and extra durability. These blades are 3x sharper and 15x more durable than regular box blades. With a 0.6mm thickness, they are thicker and more durable than most blades on the market. They can be resharpened for repetitive use and are compatible with most box cutters, utility knives, and pocket knives with replaceable blades. The 50 ultra-sharp blades come with an easy-to-use dispenser and can cut through various materials with ease. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.